Hi guys! Today we're going to be drawing a puppy. So let's get started. You'll need a pencil and some colored pencils, okay? So first we're going to start off by drawing the head. So it's going to be looking down. So we're going to draw over here and then kind of make a round oval like this. Now we're going to draw the ears. So they're going to be kind of high. We're going to go up like you're going on a roller coaster and all the way down to here. And then we're going to go draw our finger here and then do the same thing. Good. Now we're going to go and curve like a U and then go here. Same thing here. Good. Now we're going to draw the eyes. So we're going to make an upside down U over here and then another next to it like this. And since we want it to look down, we're going to put the eyeballs a little lower and the other here a little lower. Okay. Now we're going to draw the nose. So it's going to be here. Okay. And then its tongue is going to be sticking out like this. So now we're going to go about here. So just draw a line with your finger and then you'll end up here. We're going to go here and go down, down, down. Now we're going to do the same thing. So draw your finger here and then go down, down, down. Good. Now we're going to make his paws. So it's going to be a really long U. Good. Now we're going to go over here and then draw a curve and then stick it out. Go here. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing here. Good. Those are his feet. Now we're going to connect here. And then make his tail all the way here. So we're going to make a bushy tail. It's going to be very fluffy, so it's going to have some texture like this. Good. Now, since he's looking at the ground, he should be looking at something, right? How about he's looking at a bone? So we're going to draw a line here, and then two curves, and then one here again, and then two curves like ears. Good. Now he has his bone. He's trying to reach for the bone, but he's so big. So now, to make it look like the tail's wagging, we're going to put some movement. Good. Now it looks like his tail's wagging. Now we're going to draw a little curve here, a little curve here. Great! We drew our puppy. Now, time to color. So you can color it whatever color you want, but I'm going to color it light brown. Okay? So I'm going to fast forward. 3, 2, 1. So I'm going to fast forward right now. Well, yay! We finished our puppy. Well, I hope you liked my video, guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and thumbs up my videos. Bye!